Here we are at Set Shop in New York City, land of 1,000 surfaces. And recently a customer had asked about our product Ice Powder from Trengrove Studios, and they were having a problem getting it to stick to the bottle to achieve a adjust from removed cooler effect, where small pieces of ice are sticking to the bottle. So actually it's very easy to do that. Just spray the bottle with water where you want the ice to adhere, and just sprinkle the ice powder on. And you could also do it with a salt shaker. That's a helpful way to do that. And then hydrate it a little more with water until you get the effect that pleases you. And it's continuously adjustable while on the bottle, if you need to do that. And it'll last for quite a while. So thank you very much for watching.